Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled error in a simple and reliable way. This issue usually appears when Adobe cannot verify your subscription or detects an invalid license. First, open Adobe Creative Cloud and make sure you are signed in with the correct Adobe account that has an active subscription. If you're already signed in, sign out and then sign back in to refresh your license status. Next, check your internet connection because Adobe needs online access to verify your account. Now go to your computer settings, open Apps, and ensure Adobe Creative Cloud and related services are updated to the latest version. After that, disable your antivirus or firewall temporarily, as it may block Adobe services from connecting. If the problem continues, uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud completely and reinstall it from the official website. Also, make sure your system date and time are correct. Finally, restart your computer and open the app again, and the error should be resolved, and your Adobe apps should work normally now. Subscribe the channel for more videos.